Okay, go.
Hello, my name is Andres Cordova and my teammate is Tuli, and we're going to talk about the project Barcelona for the class Enterprise Forecasting. So basically, the project for Barcelona is about to be able to forecast the points of Barcelona's soccer team using a neural network model and compare the forecast obtained with real values. So as I read before, what we're going to do is we're trying to forecast the number of points that Barcelona is going to have for the next seasons. And we're going to use MATLAB to do this because it's very helpful and it's very easy to do it with MATLAB. Also, we need to understand what data we have available and why we choose this certain data. Okay. Purpose of the project is because it can be useful for the sponsors and bet houses. If we get to forecast the number of Barcelona points in a proper way, this is going to be very helpful for the sponsors because they can determine if they're going to invest in Barcelona or they can spend their money in another team. And also for the bet houses. What else? We can determine if Barcelona might be able to win the tournament. This is very helpful for the team because if they know when are they going to win, they can do good strategies to increase the sales or whatever. Also because it can help to make the team well known, affecting sales and merchandising. As I said before, if they know how many points are they going to get the next season, they can that information can help them to increase the sales. Also, they can increase the sales in merchandising, sales of tickets, like a lot of things. So for this particular case, we're going to use, as I said before, the neural network model. And the neural network model works with a lot of input values, some output values, and hidden layers. So for this case, our input values are the number of matches, won games, draw games, lost games, all scores, and so on. And we have chosen 35 values, each one from 1979 until 2013. And the output values are the number of points at the end of the season. The same, there are 35 values from 1979 until 2013.
Network model in MATLAB we have. The first one is input data, including a different value from this. And the next one is hidden layer, which means how the number of neural network we're gonna test. And the number of neural network is really important in MATLAB. It decides how good forecast we're gonna have in the future. And the last one is output data, which means the number of points at the end of the season. After working with MATLAB, we have these forecasts, and we compare this to the real value, which means from 2014 to 2015, and the result was really close to the real value. So this 2014 we have 90, the real value have 94, and our forecast line 93.7 is pretty close. And the 2015 the real value is 91, and we have like 91 from our forecast. So the difference between our model and real model are so quite similar. So now we come to a conclusion about this model. The forecast of neural network model is very close to the real value of the data. This means that our model can predict well the data in advance. Secondly, when it's referred to a neural network model, The MATLAB is good forecasting tool and friendly user. Next one, the selection of the model is vital for accuracy of the forecast. And the last one, the number of neurons are important to determine the correct performance of the forecast. My name is Julie. Thank you for listening.